Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. This finished building is beautiful 383 Chevrolet 500 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1937 Chevy coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. You got the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Painted the block the Chevrolet orange with the brass freeze plugs. Proper oil pan on there. We have the dual quad Edelbrock carburetors on there. All the linkages are all set up, ready to go. PCV ventilation line. All the air filters are all set up. Washable elements. Small cap distributor set in place. This is the proper distributor for the 37 Chevy coupe for firewall clearance. MSD ignition coil. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. High torque mini starter. Chrome dipstick and tube. High flow fuel pump. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines. Gas filter all set up. Running all the way up to the carburetors. This real nice Raptor serpentine pulley kit with the 8-rib heavy duty belt on there. Self-tensioning belt tensioner. High flow aluminum water pump. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Thermostats installed in there and thermostat housing. Customer's running a remote reservoir power steering pump for clearance. So we also will supply the remote reservoir with the engine. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set, carburetors fully adjusted, ready to go, drop in ready. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.